Hello YouTube family, just arrived in my township called Tonsto here in Stoke-on-Trent. This is how the street looks like. I found two strange cars parked in my drive. This is my drive which I made this drive, and now I've parked on the side here. Look at that side of the road, and I believe my eldest daughter has got two cars to her name. So, but let's find out. Let me find out what's going on. Some beautiful flowers here. Wow. This is what happens when you've been away from home. April, May, June, July. This is July. Wow. Let's find out what's going on here. So this is the cabin. Oh, Dikuno! This is one of my paintings. This is one of my paintings. For some of you who like art, this is one of my artworks. Oh, Dikuno! Kodikudibantu! Wow, look what I found. The wife, I found her intact. Hello, wife.
Hello.
Say hello to YouTube family.
Hi, YouTube family.
Oh my God, such a nice wife. Look at this. She's prepared something for me, knowing that I've been driving all day long. There's a kabwari here, and also, what kind of combination is this?
Okay, this is just a rice with some cranberries in.
Yeah, and what we have
this
here?
is fish, tilapia.
Tilapia fish. Oh, that smells nice. Wow.
Lamb with beans.
Lamb with beans, and you know what? I'm so hungry.
Fresh vegetable from the garden.
Let's have look at that. Oh, from the garden?
Yes, from our garden.
Is this pumpkin leaves?
Pumpkin leaves mixed with a bit of borage.
Borage
Leaves.
Wow. And this, what's this?
That's just cabbage.
Cabbage.
Shop cabbage.
Fantastic. Wow. So I'm going to have a meal after being away from home since April, May, June. This is July. I work away from home. So I've come home and I found a meal. This is what a Zambian wife does. For some of you kids who are growing up who don't know what culture is, mukabwera ku nyumba, bamuna babwera ku nyumba, bainekera opeza vakudya, already prepared. That's our culture. You don't tell the husband when the husband comes home at imwendani chabe ku KFC. That's not our way. We cook fresh food, okay? That's our culture. But let's see what's going on outside. I believe my daughter has got a hobby. She's realized she has a hobby of daughter and mother. They've also got a joint hobby of reupholstering and reupholstering and bringing up old furniture to life. What do you think about this, YouTube family? Look at this. I'm loving it. And you know what? It's a good hobby. So far, so good. Say hello to YouTube family. Tell them what you're doing.
You know I'm shy.
You don't have to be shy. Yeah, so look, this is what my daughter and the mother are doing. They are, mostly Didi, the shy one. And the backyard is looking very nice, actually. They've done this porch here. This whole arrangement here is been done by Didi and her partner. They've done this whole place, this landscape. As you can see, the flowers, with the help of the mother painting these tires, look at that. Looking very, very nice. Actually, our backyard garden is looking very nice. I'll show you. Let me just show you. But let's admire these chairs. Look at them. This is amazing. Actually, these are for sale. If you go on Facebook or if you want to buy this kind of sofas for your house, get in touch on my channel. And if you live within Stoke-on-Trent, you say?
If anyone wants theirs doing, I'll do it.
Can you say that again?
If anyone wants their chairs doing, holler at me.
So you heard that for yourselves, guys. If you want your chairs to be reupholstered and done, please contact me and I will connect you with Dolores Johnson. And by the way, Dolores Johnson has got a charity in Zambia. It's called Healing Hands Zambia. I will show you the link. So the garden is doing very well. And you know, as usual, some of you have watched the videos from before, you know why these vegetables are so nice and green is because we use chicken poo. Chicken poo is good medicine for vegetables. Look at that. Wow. Very nice and green. And very healthy as well. Look at this. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Can you imagine having 10 hectares of this kind of, plants on your farm? Amazing. The grass has been cut, has been mowed. And also on this side here, this plant is actually, these are potatoes. But this plant here is called borage. Can you see? It produces some purple bluish flowers. The leaves are the ones we are having on the table just now for lunch. Olga, is this a pear? This is a pear, isn't it? This looks like a pear. So, and what about these? Are these cherry tree? There's a cherry tree. So this is our backyard, how it's looking like now. And there's a swing here for the grandkids. They like to swing a lot. They got a mini park here. And also there's an apple tree you planted here. Oh my God, it's got some fruits. It's bearing apples. Look at this. What? Now, I dare not taste these apples because I tasted one the other day. I'm telling you, tasted like chloroquine. Also, we have strawberries growing here. We usually harvest beautiful, beautiful strawberries. So this is our backyard here. It's been decorated and the guys have been busy whilst I've been away. And it's looking good. Look at that. Our chickens are still alive. Hello, chickens. Let me show you our chickens. These chickens lay eggs on a daily basis. So every morning, oh, look at that. There's some eggs in there. Wow. There's some 3 eggs here. Oh, you haven't picked them up. So these are our chickens. They're getting very old. This one, look at that. It's lost its feathers. But they're still laying eggs, We've had them for a bit. But the only problem we have here is rats. We've tried our best, but, they keep coming back. Hello, chickens. Yeah, so these are our chickens. If you like this video of our backyard farm, please give it a thumbs up. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Share the video with family and friends. And also press the bell icon for more notifications so that you'll be the first to get notified when I post a new video. So from me, it's adios amigos, and I will see you in the next video. And God bless you from wherever you're watching.